Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Calendly to Zoom. So this is pretty simple actually. First of all, you want to go ahead to integration and apps, and after that you want to find here Zoom. Here it is. You're gonna click on that, and after that you can set up Zoom for yourself or for organization. So what you need is a Zoom account, and basically your Zoom account administrator must pre-approve Calendly in Zoom Marketplace, but basically let's connect the Zoom ourselves. Now you want to sign into your Zoom or create an account if you don't have one. Now you want to add Calendly for Zoom, so you choose an account and so on, and you basically allow everything and connect it. So here it is. So open on the Calendly homepage, click on the gear icon and select event type, edit from the menu. And for the location, you want to select Zoom. So let's go to the event types. Now let's create a new event. Let's say one-on-one and let's create an event. Now location, you want to click Zoom, and as you can see, it now really works great. And now the duration, let's continue. And basically like that, you add your event, and then you can share it with a link, with email, or into the website. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.